everyone, welcome to our other channel. It's me, Kat Mimi. So, ayan guys, medyo na-busy tayo. Hindi tayo nakapag-react last year. Yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, ang i-react natin for today is Every Breath You Take. Yeah, and this is a female cover of Franz Rhythm. Shout out sa ating mga ka-friends, Rhythmatics out there. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. So, wag na natin patagalin ang ating intro. Let's go and let's start this video. By the way, credit to the owner of the video, Franz Rhythm channel. Ayan. O, lalakasan natin ngayon. Pero marami tayong cut as I've mentioned before. Okay, o nga pala guys, nasabi ko sa inyo before na, yun nga, mas marami tayong cut, pero at least malakas, kaysa naman konti yung cut, pero ang hina, diba? So, nagkasundo naman tayo sa ating comment section or community, sa ating community na pinost ko doon. Ano ba? Sa pinost ko sa community. Ayan. So, let's go.
Every breath you take, every move you make.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng boses ni Chardon, guys. Ayan, siya nga pala, nakapaggawa ba kayo ng prosperity bowl ninyo, guys? So, itong prutas pala na to galing sa prosperity bowl namin nung New Year. So, ayan, let's proceed.
Every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, and every word you say.
Sorry guys ang ganda nung boses ni dito, ni Char. And gusto ko rin yung angles nung camera ni Mama Lenny. Ayan. Minsan nasa side siya, tas minsan nandun naman siya sa front view. Ang cool. Diba? Ang cool.
Every games you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me.
Ala, ganda ng blending dun. Uulitin ko. Busy lang ako nung sa pagbubukas nitong orange. Yan. Kain tayo. So, kung mapakinggan ulit yung blending nila dun. Yung, oh, can't you see?
You belong to
Sorry. Wait. Okay, isa pa guys. Sorry.
Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a poor heart ache, but every step you take.
Wow, okay. So, let me see guys, ha? Post tayo dyan and punta tayo sa ating channel. Okay, saglit lang guys. Ayan. Post lang tayo para hindi tayo mag-copyright. So far, buksan ka na. Ayan, 8 days ago na nung huli tayong, ayan, nag-upload. Yeah, ayan, binubuksan ko, sobrang hirap. Ayan siya. Sorry guys kung madami akong kata. And thank you guys sa mga nag-watch nung last video ko 8 days ago. Yeah, thank you very much to all of you. And I owe you an explanation pala. Oh, I owe you an explanation. Hindi natuloy yung live supposed to be kasi nagka-problema po ako that time. May ginawang trabaho. Tapos pagtingin ko ng oras guys, naku, tapos na pala. Sorry talaga. Anyway, babawi ako. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng post na about it hanggat di ako sure. So, yeah. Let's go, guys.
Every move you
Mag-shoutout tayo mamaya.
every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around, but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and alone.
smooth ng pagkakuha niya dun, no, guys. Enlarge lang natin tong video kasi magsasabi lang ako ng comment ko. So, ayan, busy-busy nga ako habang nagbubukas itong orange dito. And guys, kamusta naman yung New Year ninyo? Happy ba? Nagpaputok pa kayo? Ano ba yung mga kinain natin? So, maybe after this reaction video na to, next week na ulit ako magre-react, guys. And magpo-post ulit ako sa poll natin kung ano yung mga gusto nyong next na reaction, kung yung popular ba na video nila or yung latest. Kasi parang ang naging active ang France Rhythm this past few days. Marami silang upload na nakita ko. Maraming bago. So, mag-post ako o kaya mag-comment kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo na i-react natin next. Okay, so let's go and play. Cute. Ang laki na niya, no? Grabe. Wow, wait lang. Parang may growl siya doon. Ang ganda. Pakinggan natin ulit. Okay, so nakikita ko dito may iba silang cameraman. Makain tayo, guys. Ayan. Ayun, may iba, hindi siya si Mama Lenny. So, sino kaya siya, guys? Part din ba siya sa family? Yeah, comment down below, guys, kung kilala nyo yung kumukuha ng video ng France Rhythm. So, continue na.
Every move you make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every wall you break. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching every move you make, every wall you.
Ang galing, no? Ang galing nila. Nag-evolve din yung kanilang cameras. Wow. Ang cool ng boses ni Char, at saka ni Chen, at saka ni Papa Friends.
I'll be watching you. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Love, love, love.
Blah, blah, blah. Yan yung cameraman nila. Si Dudes to. Malaki na niya. Kain tayo, guys, ng orange. World of Fun. Bata pa ako, meron na yung World of Fun. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo mag-react, guys. Actually, ito ay second to the latest video ng Franz Rhythm. And ayan, don't forget to subscribe here, guys. To Franz Rhythm family, our channel, I'm not owning the video. I am just here to make a reaction of your videos and to share my comments too. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.